when you have to say that you don't like something, so don't always say I don't like it. Learn some other variety of expressions. That's not for me. I'm not into it. I am not into it. I'm disinterested in it. I am disinterested in it. I'm not very crazy about it. I'm really not very crazy about this. I'm not fond of this. I don't appreciate that. I don't appreciate that. I have had enough of it. I've had enough of it. I'm almost impartial about it. I'm almost impartial about it. It doesn't tackle my fancy. It doesn't tackle my fancy. It doesn't suit me or it doesn't appeal me. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm not a very big fan of it. I'm not very keen of it. It's not my cup of tea. This is not my cup of tea. Or I'm not a big fan of this. I am not a big fan of this. I'm not very keen of this as well. That's not my thing. That's not my thing. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I can't bear it. Or I hate this. I don't adore it. I'm sick of it, really. That's it for today. I hope you're learning with me. Thank you very much. See you next time.